Alright, you've joined me mid-session. This one's looking like a cracker. Just chucked 100 in to start me off for the day. I thought this one could be the one. Just a little cheap bet, because I've just sat the fuck down. I haven't even had a mouthful of beer yet. The beer is all the way full. Some big numbers. They are not big numbers. Fuck, there's bigger numbers outside. Getting worried. That's crap. This time I wasn't saved by the train. Saved by those two fucking cunts. Not bad, wouldn't win the first couple of seconds for me today. So they love the low bets, this little fucking machine. Alright, I'll start stuffing some files, I'll come back. Alright, $700 later. This will be rinsed, motherfucker. It has been rinsed. I've been trying to get shit, but it's not happening. Alright, now only down 600. Obviously it does not pay when you want to. Nothing for an hour. And we'll almost put this straight away after the last video if it's in order. Get that shit. Got it? No train. Lower beer anyway. Cheers. Happy Friday night's going alright, everybody. Oh, by the way, you can get a train in this. I've worked it out now. Oh, I saw a mini there. Rewind the tape. All back in the backup at line. Certainly not paying like the last time I played it. Oh, actually I was going to put it back in bit, but I realised when it spins. Oops. Oh, that woman will fall down. Couldn't even get far. Yeah, so I'll leave that back up it. On the road to recovery. And we're back. Look for that train. I know you can get it now. Fucking nifty. Oh, okay, we blew it back. Like $50, you don't see that shit. Ah, smashing a train picture. Fire bucket. I know now you can get this train inside this feature. I got it on a lower bet earlier. The video is actually included. I was betting $1.25 and there was a train on it. I got that train in the feature. But I'm still sat bet fuck all this time. We'll do a couple minutes of live play. Around with the 270 here for a second. Oh. Someone's got to pay for the beers. I'll tell you what, I was very disappointed earlier when I got a train and oh, look at that. And I saw extremely low numbers on it. Well, that would be anyway. Cheers, kids. I've got extremely low numbers on it. Train. Oh, it's up the top. I have no idea what's on it though. I saw big numbers on it though. Rewind the tape, sort of slow it down. I might even have a look myself later. No, she's dead. And you can feel it. Moment. That is a get fucked moment. Didn't drink enough beer for it. Oh. No, that wasn't me blowing my load. That was just me going, oh. I could have done the stock standard response. Oh, one away. Finish off at Dolly's here. Of course. Yeah, that wasn't the response I was looking for. Machine fucked me. Alright, come on. Might give this one a miss for the rest of the night, guys. Tried to include some action, but they're not paying, bros. That's all I can say. Four more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because you weren't expecting it. 6 because you weren't expecting it. 7 because you weren't expecting it. But now you're expecting 8. Nah, fuck it. 4 spins later. And back down to 2 center. She likes 2 centers. Just need a train. In the bay. More than that, 50, 20, I'll spend $100. Alright, we're back in line, back up spin line. We'll leave it there, kids. Thanks for watching all this sort of bullshit. Like and subscribe. Shall we? $1. Max bet. Looking shit. My first win. Remember the days you could bet $5 and win more than $50. Fuck them hell. Wow. Couple of liveys. Should do a pull straight away for that. dreadful. Alright, no good here. Alright, everyone's favourite, the old bullrush. Colour. Love to see a maxi crack one day. Won't happen tonight, but I'd like to see it one day. Looking for colour. Don't stop there. What a cunt. Still no colour. All low shit. I'll probably get one more ball and it'll say 20 or 40 or something. $182. There's another one coming, I reckon. One more coming. I got a feeling there's one more coming. Ready? One more. No, fuck me. Fuck. Shit. Back up spin. Shit. Oh, I nearly gave up. Couple of free spins on the bully. Only 5 lines though, so I've got to hit big hard. It's so hard to win money on the fucking 5 lines, I promise you. Basically looking for a unicorn. And that is not a unicorn. Quite clean though. That's all it's going to pay though. Unicorn did not arrive. Back it up. Play down a few hundred. Live for the kids. Yeah, not feeling it tonight. 2 more. Last one. And we'll take it. Dragon Train. Just when you thought it was safe to leave your room. You better not have bullshit numbers. Have big ass fucking numbers. Fucking nothing. Bigger than that. Bigger. 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 Very good. Terrible, not shit. 3.8 Ronkin. Sweet. Alrighty, I got it off stream. I went live tonight. This is the video that ends my night. Sorry I didn't get it live. Hoping for a train here. That's pretty good numbers. There we go. Now we're going to take that and leave. closed. Alright, $5 on the stuff feature. Hello, Cass. Here we go. Fuck all that. Shit numbers. Get prices for hookers. That's better. I got a fucking staff one. $50, that's even better. There we go. This is the one. Turn to a decent picture. Oh, super. Super jackpot, motherfuckers. Jackpot winner. Cash. Oh yeah. Sweet. And the coins as well to go with it. I have 115 as well. Look at that. Cash. Ah, I missed it. That's alright. Cash. Alrighty. $10 slappers. Here we go. Oh, that coin, old star went down and shit. I'm almost cracked. Those with the fucking coins and shit. Nah. Fucked. Alright, 1250 bet. Sky City Adelaide. So we get a fucking big colour fucking ball or something. At least two. Nah. This is a 50-cent machine here. For something fucking huge, like that fucking mini that's worth 500. Welcome to Paris. Shit out. Finish off 25 bets. So we can't see anything big to finish the night off. Coins only fucking get paid on the fucking small shit. They know what they're doing, these machines. Like, you don't hit that shit. One more, there we go, 25 slappers. Now bring it. Now bring it. Come on, at least give me a double one. Double. double. One time. Come on, bring something big. Come on, smash up to a big number. Nah, shit house. $500. We'll play it under 5. Oh, fuck it off. Where's the coin there? Fucking ticket. Alright. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, all that sort of bullshit.